Imagine a world where buildings breathe with the earthware. The same ground beneath our feet powers our homes, schools, and workplaces. Welcome to the era of geothermal energy. Deep within the earth lies a constant, untapped energy source: geothermal heat. Unlike solar or wind, geothermal energy is not weather-dependent. It's a steady, reliable force, harnessed through technologies that have evolved over decades. At the heart of this revolution are geothermal heat pumps. These systems utilize the Earth's stable underground temperatures to efficiently heat and cool buildings. By circulating a fluid through underground pipes, they transfer heat in winter and expel it in summer, maintaining a comfortable indoor climate year-round. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Enter smart geothermal systems. Integrating Internet of Things IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning ML. These systems monitor and optimize energy usage in real time. They predict maintenance needs, adjust settings based on occupancy, and even learn user preferences, enhancing both comfort and efficiency. Educational institutions are leading the charge. The University of Illinois, for instance, is championing geothermal energy to meet its clean energy goals. By tapping into the Earth's heat, reducing their carbon footprint, and setting a precedent for sustainable campus operations, even tech giants are getting on board. Meta has partnered with XGS Energy to develop geothermal projects in New Mexico, aiming to power its data centers with clean electricity. This collaboration not only supports AI advancements, but also aligns with Meta's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2030. The benefits are clear. Geothermal systems can reduce energy consumption by up to 60%, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and provide a consistent energy source unaffected by external weather conditions. From residential homes to commercial skyscrapers, geothermal energy is proving to be a versatile and sustainable solution. It's a testament to how innovation can harmonize with nature to create smarter, greener buildings. As we look to the future, geothermal energy stands as a beacon of sustainable development. It's not just about harnessing the Earth's heat. It's about building a legacy of efficiency, resilience, and environmental stewardship. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of geothermal energy. Stay tuned for more insights into the technologies shaping our built environment.